Good morning, San Jose Middle School families. It is me, Miss Richardson, and I am here to talk to you about the return of sixth graders to campus at SJMS. This is a plan that will take place between November 30th and December 18th. I'm going to be talking to you a lot in these next few weeks, and so expect a lot more videos. But today, I only want to talk about this particular plan for sixth graders. Later on, we'll be talking about the plans for January. But just right now, what are we going to do on November 30th? Here is an overview of what the plan looks like for November 30th. First, I think we should say that for all students, grades 6, 7, and 8, you will continue to learn remotely using Zoom and Google Classroom as you have done since the beginning of the year. All students will continue to learn remotely for periods 1, 2, and 3 on Monday and 4, 5, and 6 on Tuesday. What's different here is that students, sixth grade students, will come to campus each afternoon from 1:15 until 2:40. Now, for the safety of our staff and the safety of our students, we need to maintain distance between everyone, 6 feet of different distance. So that means that we can't have all of the students come back at one time. So for every class, we are going to basically split it about in half into 2 groups or 2 cohorts, A and B. So, in fact, students, 6th grade students, will come to campus if they are in cohort A on Monday and Tuesday. If they are in cohort B, they will come to campus on Thursday and Friday. Wednesday is a day that is completely online, just as it is now. That's asynchronous work and small group work with teachers. All right, so this is the overview. If you're a sixth grader, you do everything that you usually do. You get up in the morning, you go to class, and then you come and see us in the afternoon, depending on which cohort you're in. Let's just take a look at what this might look like week by week. So the first week, which begins on November 30th, let's say I'm a cohort A sixth grader, I will go to my first period class online. I will log into my second period class and my third period class. Then I'll have a little bit of lunch. And then if I'm a cohort A person, I will go to school and I will go to my period 1 class. And then I will go to my period 2 class. In these classes, I'll be meeting my teacher. I'll be meeting other students. I will be getting some support for asynchronous work. And I will be getting some additional orientation from my teachers. So my teachers will be telling me how it's going to be when we come back to school in January. So it's a practice time. So on the first week, I'm going to go to periods 1 and 2, both days on Monday and Tuesday. So during that week, I'm going to see my teacher 2 times. Okay, that's week 1. In week 2, again, if I'm a cohort A person, on Monday, I'm going to go to period 1 online. Period 2, I will log in. Period 3, I will log in, eat some lunch, and then I will come to school. But now I will go to period 3 and period 4 for 2 days. Period 3 and period 4. This way, I'll get to meet those teachers and I will get to see those students and get support in those subject areas. Okay, moving on one more time. In week 3, I'm going to go to period 5 and 6. This time, let's pretend I'm in cohort B. So in cohort B, I will I will have gone to school Monday. I will have logged in to school remotely, period 1, 2, 3, and stayed home. Tuesday, 4, 5, 6, stayed home. Wednesday, I've been online all day doing my advisory and meeting with my teachers and doing my asynchronous work. On Thursday, I go to period 1, 2, and 3. I eat lunch, and then I'm going to go to period 5 and period 6. Period 5 and period 6. This way, by the end of these 3 weeks, I will have met all of my teachers, and I will have been getting some help with asynchronous work that I need to do, and I'll be getting some instruction about how we will come back to school in January. So just to review, students will come to school 2 times per week from 1:15 to 2:40. Student cohorts, whether you're in the A group or the B group, will be announced on Monday, November 9th. I'm going to put my picture up here so you can read that in Spanish. Student cohorts will be announced. So I can tell you that if your name is high in the alphabet, like letter A, then you will be most likely in the morning or in the A cohort. If you have a last name that starts with, say, R, like Richardson, the odds are high that you're going to be in a B cohort. This holds through almost for everyone, but not everyone, because we do have some other requirements that we have to take into account. We cannot honor requests for changes to cohorts based on cohort groups just because the cohorting is more complex than you might think. So these cohorts will be announced on Google Classroom on Monday, November 9th. So make sure you get your student to show you what cohort they are in. Let's see. I think, there's one more big piece. So that we can get everything ready for your student to join us in the afternoons, we will not have school for any student on November 20th. No school for students on November 20th. So that is actually the day before the Thanksgiving break. So you are going to have an extra long break while we work to make everything get ready for you. So I hope this is helpful to you. We have other things to talk about, but not today. That's it. And so we are looking forward to seeing you return to school on November 30th. Make it a great day.